This incident occurred in the area of 19th Avenue and Southern Avenue. An officer was at a gas station in the area, working through an unrelated call for service, when he was notified by a community member about a man nearby who was waving a machete. The officer saw the adult male suspect walking south along 19th Avenue on the sidewalk, waving the machete around, before eventually walking into a vacant dirt lot. The officer called for backup, and they tried to keep the suspect contained to the dirt lot, away from other community members.
Negative, separate issue. He's threatened a couple patrons of the QT, but right now it seems like a 918 issue, but he's got a machete in his hand. He's threatening passing cars. I don't know how many calls you're gonna get on this.
I might move my car over there in case he goes that way. Keep him off the street. Like, put my car over there, keep him from going to the street. You stay that way. Get back. Get back. Put it down. Put it down. Drop it. 411 Bravo. We're gonna need a nice.
The suspect ignored the officer and continued walking southbound along 19th Avenue and eventually into the roadway. The third officer to arrive retrieved a less lethal stun bag shotgun from his patrol vehicle before approaching the suspect.
Drop the knife, bro. You're gonna get stun bagged. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, bro. Right now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Get back. Drop the fucking knife! Drop the fucking... Drop the knife!
Here's a portion of the body-worn camera video from the fourth officer on scene, who positioned his vehicle in the roadway to the south of the suspect.
Hey.
Here is another look at the same video, digitally stabilized.
Hey.
The suspect dropped the machete on the ground, and officers were able to move it away as they approached him to take him into custody and begin first aid. The officers continued to provide first aid until the Phoenix Fire Department arrived and assumed care before transporting the suspect to a local hospital for treatment. No other community members or officers were injured during this incident.